Hello friends, welcome to Mock Test channel. Today in this video, I'll be covering how you can download your STCW certificate from DigiShipping website. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button so that we can create more content like this for you in the future. Friends, let me take you to my desktop. You will have to type in digishipping.gov.in or else you can just Google digishipping.gov.in and it will take you to this website. Once you are on this website, you will come to the menu part over here. On the menu part, you will find something like indos/COP checker. So what you got to do is you have to press indos.cop checker and wait for the website to load. Then there will be a searching criteria. Since I promise you that I will help you to find your STCW certificate, so you have to go for the STCW course over here. Herein you will have an option to type in your indos number and date of birth. So I will type in my indos number and I will also put in my date of birth. Now since I have put my indos number and date of birth, I will go to the bottom of the screen and I will press the search button. And once I press the search button, all the courses that I attended recently will be visible. The name of the institute, the name of the course, the starting date, the ending date, certificate number, all of it is visible. Now let's say I have to download the PSCRB certificate. So I will go to the column where it says digital certificate view. I will press on view, and when I press view, the certificate will be visible to me on the screen. But that doesn't download it. So what you got to do is you have to go to the right top corner and press on the download button. So once you download it, you can Xerox this and this will be as good as original because this is the digitally signed copy. Friends, I hope you found our content useful. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.